Dissolve cocoa and coffee in water. Then add vanilla. Set aside. Combine egg white and sugar. Then place on top of a double boiler with simmering water na touching the bottom of the bowl. Stir constantly. Rub the mixture between your fingers. It is ready when it is warm and smooth with no sugar grains. Remove the bowl from heat and whisk on medium-high speed. Whip it until it is completely cool, glossy, and stiff thick. The butter will melt if it's still hot. Check it by touching the side of the bowl. Then add the coffee mixture. Add butter in small batches. Curdled, that's normal. If it becomes soupy, your meringue is maybe still hot when you added the butter. Place it in the fridge for a few minutes until it firms up a little, then continue whipping. If not, just continue whipping until it smooths out. Switching from whisk to paddle attachment for a smoother buttercream.